Why two steels? Really, when you're cooking in a home oven, you always need real estate.
Okay.
You know, you put your pizza in. How do I make my bottom crispier? I can only go like this. Find another piece of real estate by putting another steel in your oven.
More real estate.
You always can make it crispier. You can always make more pizza, right?
Yeah.
So having two steels in your oven is so important. Just like when we're cooking in a restaurant, we're not just cooking one pie at a time, we're cooking multiples. I have broken many pizza stones over the years. Putting on my grill outside.
Oh, interesting.
You know, that technique of you're penetrating in the middle and you're not. You're supposed to go on the outside. So it's another reason why I love baking steels is you don't break them. And over the years, I've broke many stones. Yeah.